If you want to make a full-time living with email marketing, I suggest that you email your list twice every day. All right. Some people may say, well, just email once a day or once every few days. Just keep in mind that if you don't email your list that much, they may forget about you. So you have to find the right balance here. But the rule of thumb is, you should email your list twice a day. Yes, you're gonna get around 5 or 8 people that will unsubscribe from your list, but you'll make anywhere from 50 to a few $100s each day, depending on the size of your list and also on the quality of your emails. Okay, so I actually have a calendar in which I write down the products that I plan to promote on certain dates. So, I'll already know what products I'm going to promote a couple weeks in advance. And of course, I do keep it flexible. There are days where I have my options, I have a backup plan. So on a certain day, there might be 3 different product launches, and I'll just keep it flexible and just see how I feel. And on that day, okay, look, I have these 3 options. What did I email my list about the previous day? Is this certain product launch or this affiliate offer too similar to the one I promoted, or does it complement? So I do try to keep it flexible. I also have my options. Instead of promoting an affiliate product on one day, I might just send a blog post. But I try to email my list every day, and if I have time, twice a day. Okay, I have kids, and so I don't have as much time as I used to email my list twice a day. Okay, and if I can't find anything to promote on a particular day, I'll send a follow-up email for a product that I promoted a few days ago or even a few weeks prior. Okay, and I even have a list of products that I'm going to promote if I can't find anything to promote on a particular day. For example, it could be a high ticket affiliate product that I promoted over a year ago. And that'll be in the list of products that I could promote on a day where I just can't find anything good to promote to my list. Okay, or another thing I might promote to my list if I can't find anything to promote on that day is one of my own products. Okay, so make sure that you email your list twice a day. And the second email for that day could just be a follow up to the first email that you sent on that day. You could just send the exact same email, but just type in, regarding the last email, or for example, you could type in the word RE right before the subject line, so they know that it's just a follow up for uh, the prior email. Okay. Another tip I want to give here is, don't be predictable. Meaning that, you don't want your list to know that you're going to email a certain type of offer every day, or it's going to be on the same time every day. You got to mix it up. So, for example, my list is targeted towards people in the private label rights niche. All right, people that want done for you systems. But I don't want people to know that, hey, I'm just emailing you guys done for you systems every day. I want to provide some helpful tips. I want to promote products that also provide helpful tips, and maybe software products every once in a while. Okay, so hopefully this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.